Hey, welcome my amazing students. On this lecture here, I'm going to show you how to build an authentication system. Now, it might not look very difficult, but behind the scenes, we're doing a lot of stuff. And we're going to be doing this with Python, of course, and we're going to be using Flask. We're going to be using SQLite, Flask Login. We're going to be using Tailwind CSS. So we're going to be doing quite a bit in the back end, all right? So let me show you how this works. And it's very simple. You're going to be able to register, let's say TPM here for the Python mentor. And let's say TPM at Gmail. And let's just put a password here real quick. Let's create an account. And you can see that we were able to create an account and we were redirected to the login page. We have flash messages, and then we are inserting this data in the database. So this data, this user is already in the database. So now I can log in, of course, and I can say TPM at Gmail and my password and sign in. And you can see that it says invalid password. So we have that. Let's put the right one. And now you can see that we were able to go into a dashboard area. Now, not only we were able to go to a dashboard area, but we're also keeping this personalized with the username right here. So our application is going to be able to recognize usernames and all that stuff once you log in and give it the information. So we have logout. All right, so there is a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes in this application that you won't see here. But anyway, that's what we got. And you're going to love this because this is another skill set that you're going to put in your skill toolbox. So I'll see you guys on the next lecture. I hope you enjoy it.